In this video, we're going to talk about variations of a theme with regards to working from a reference. So in this particular case, I've blocked out a rough sketch of this reference photo taken from Earth's photos on Instagram, and I'll put a link in the description so you can check out the amazing photos that are on that particular page. A lot of great portrait photos. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to show you some ways that you can iterate on top of this design and just change certain things to make it, to have some variation. So I'm going to just shrink this guy down. That's going to be our original. I'll make a duplicate by hitting Command J. I'm hitting the V key to move it over to the side. And I'll just do that a couple more times, just so that we have a few versions to work with. And I'll merge these layers together. So the tip here is to take your facial features and play with the idea of lowering them, raising them, and scaling them. So in this case, I'm moving the eyes lower, and what I'll do here is I'll scale this down and move it out. So you're making one of the features large, the other one medium, the other one small, so I'll just kind of ink over that real quick. And over here, what I might do is take the entire face, move it in which case I would have a shape that looks something like this. And you can see very easily that you can generate tons of really cool looking characters by just playing with the proportions. So I'm not saying they're all going to be great or anything, but it does give you more things to experiment with. So I could even play with, say, let's go ahead and take out the lips, move the lips back in. And now I've got different variations of the same character. And it's pretty cool because you can use this to generate, say for example, if you want to have characters that are siblings, you can just vary their proportions up a bit and make them similar so that there's a likeness there, but they're still going to be their own unique character. So I hope you found this tip to be helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.